Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jam, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. Let's try out KADS Travel 016 for today. And now let's use the stamping plate. And this is the look that I come up with this stamping plate. If you like this look and if you want to grab this stamping plate, the link is available on the description box below. And never forget to use my 10% discount coupon code at KADS Nail Art. It's KADS honeycrunch321. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on my official social media pages. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!